victims of a system that makes men torture.
Yeah. I just can't get no sleep even if I roll over. And it's like I got angels and demons sitting on my shoulders, and I can hear them talking one on each side, preaching about how to live my life, trying to teach me to ride. But don't get it twisted, I know it's all in my mind, and I can only hear them when I know I committed a crime. Or sometimes when I happen to get a chance to do something good, the demons try to fuck up my plans. And I hear voices in my head, and the noise won't get away if I refuse to cooperate. So I'm confused, don't know who to listen to, who's right, who's not, and what's the best thing to do. So most of the time I just follow my inner voice. That will be my instinct, but I call it the perfect choice. And like my father used to say, but I wouldn't listen, always use your street wisdom when you been making decisions. Cause half of your doubts is created by the media, so try not to get sucked in, and it's gonna be much easier to separate the fiction from reality, son. Learn to dodge bullets coming out of the barrel of enemy's gun, pointed into your head, aiming to infect your mind with endless of this future humankind seeking. You shall find evidence of such a behavior all around us, so it's time to realize you the only you can trust. Try to find your inner truth, but you gotta look deep, cause the answer's underneath the surface of everything you can see. And your ship starts sinking the very moment they make you adopt somebody else's way of thinking about creating conspiracy theories from the beginning, making you believe you actually know what's hidden in them, when the truth behind the scenes ain't what it seems. And I see they got a plan to get us caught in somebody else's dream. Shit, I got my own vision, I don't wanna be stuck in a mental prison. I decide who to listen, and even though it's all up in my mind, still sometimes I feel like I'm a fucking blind man doing time. And I know who's trying to control and distract my thoughts, cause that's what they do when you try to get back what's yours. So I blaze one, and it takes me away to a safe place to create the perfect antidote for these venomous snakes, and place it in your brain like subliminal message. Cause I got a criminal record of giving them mental injections with my reckless methods, created by the influence of society issues. But can't you see the society's trying to diss you? Yet worst come to worst, and my peoples come first. So I try not to give a fuck and not to be the one that's cursed with a destiny of being a slave in this new world order. I'ma rather be the man that crossed the imaginary border.